A judge has decided that federal agent Christopher Deedy will not be tried a third time for a deadly shooting in Waikiki 7 years ago. It's not the outcome the victim's family wanted. Bridget Namada follows up. Bridget?
Joe, city prosecutors plan on appealing the decision, saying it's their moral and ethical obligation. But we spoke with supporters of Colin Elderts, the man Deedy said he shot and killed in self-defense, and they had choice words for prosecutors.
Special Agent Christopher Deedy shot and killed Colin Elderts during a fight in 2011. Since then, Elderts' family has hoped for justice.
Colin was their voice of their family, and when they killed him, it's like they took away their voice.
Deedy's third trial was supposed to start in October, but his attorney filed an appeal in federal court, arguing it violated his Fifth Amendment right against double jeopardy, or the prosecution of a person twice for the same offense. His attorney says Deedy is still a federal agent and lives in Virginia, but for the last 7 years has been on desk duty.
Our hearts go out to the Elderts family, regardless of the circumstances, right or wrong. They lost a son. And, you know, I mean, that's why I say it's not a day to celebrate. On the other hand, you had the Deedy family, and every member of that family went to bed every night for the last 7 years wondering if their son, their cousin, their brother would spend the rest of his life in prison. There's relief when this is done, but, I mean, it's changed everyone permanently. Hopefully, it's time for everyone to move on.
For Elderts' family and supporters, they are devastated. They do not believe prosecutors did enough.
Like the family has said from the very beginning, that they were negligent in their duty of properly and adequately and fully effectively presenting this case, that we have, as we have observed throughout the years, this appeal would not even be necessary if they had taken care of this from the very beginning the way that they should have.
City prosecutors are appealing the decision through the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. Prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro declined an interview. Joe?
Thanks, Bridget. Again, Deedy shot and killed Colin Elderts at a Waikiki McDonald's in 2011. He was assigned to provide security during the APEC conference in Waikiki. His first trial ended in a mistrial in 2013 after the jurors could not agree on a verdict. During his retrial in 2014, the jury unanimously found Deedy not guilty of murder, but could not agree on the lesser charge of manslaughter. A third trial was scheduled for October, but Deedy's attorney filed a motion asking a federal court to prevent the state from taking him to trial again, claiming double jeopardy.